Today I thought we'd try a little experiment. I've got this selfie here that I took a while ago. It's nothing fancy, just a normal photo from my phone. I wanted to see just how many completely different portraits I could make from this one image. Now, take a look at all of these. It's honestly kind of hard to believe that these all came from the same picture, right? The really interesting part is I didn't spend ages trying to write really good prompts. I kind of cheated, you could say. I used NightCafe's templates. If you've never looked at the template section before, you're in for a treat because someone has already worked on all the hard things. They figured out the prompt, the setting, the style to go for, the look, and all you have to do is upload your image or just write a little tiny prompt and let it work its magic. If you're following along at home, this is exactly why I recommend starting with templates. When people first discover AI art, they often think they have to learn prompting and models and all of that right away, but honestly, you don't. So browse through the templates, find a few that you like, and just start creating. If you haven't joined Night Cafe yet, don't forget to tap the link in the description. If you sign up using my link, you get 20 free creations so you can try exactly what I'm doing here. That's 20 image changing creations, so you can turn yourself into, I don't know. You can turn yourself into whatever you want, honestly. Okay, so let's see what the selfie can become.
Now, just a little more. It's alive!
This is going to be fun because we just have to go through the templates, see which ones we like, and then go from there. I've already pre-uploaded my start image. This is the selfie that I'm using. If you want to upload your own start image, you just go to Start Images, drag and drop, or you can just select an image here. So that's pretty easy. I was going to use this image, but it was giving me problems earlier when I was trying to do testing. So we're just going to go with an older photo of me. What we're going to do is choose a template. Impasto oil painting. Let's just try this. So we can turn ourselves into an oil painting using this template. I want it kind of similar to this image that it shows here. So let's just put yearning in the garden, golden light. Let's see how that comes out. So this default is in GPT Image 2 Medium. I want to go back to Nano Banana 2 Light. So let's do that. Here are some tests that I made from before. It was picking up as on my face as being a kid. So that's not very good. So I had to change that. Okay, well, here is my painting, which I think is so cool. It does really have that look of being an oil painting. I do love how it took the actual image and then turned it into an oil painting. That's amazing. Well, let's just start going through this and seeing if we can just like turn ourselves into whatever templates we see and are interested in. So this template's going to turn us into like a Victorian style ghost photography image. I am excited to see what that looks like. Z image turbos looks like it's default, which I'm going to change, of course, back to Nano Banana 2 Light. We can also try GPT Image 2 Low. Oh, that's not me at all. That's Z image turbo, I'm pretty sure. I think for the most like image coherency, you're going to want to stick to Nano Banana, like any of the Nano Banana models. Oh, I like this one. What is this? GPT Image 2 Low. And you can see this looks a lot more like me versus this, which looks nothing like me. This one actually doesn't look like me either, and it is kind of scary. Let's try something else. So I'm going to keep this prompt the same again. So turn character 1 into this. Let's try GPT Image 2 Low and Nano Banana 2 Light. And this is how easy it is to use templates if you want to do a bunch of like selfie generating type images. You literally just, oh man, that was a jump scare. Oh, this is cute. So this is me in this cartoon crazy reaction. So this is me in this template, and this is using GPT Image 2 Low. It's always fun to see what model interprets the templates better. The creator of the templates usually has a default model that they want you to use when you do decide to use their template, and that will be what is automatically selected, but you can always choose a different model, which I love to do and see how it turns out. Let's keep scrolling. Oh, this looks amazing. This is by Riki Wee, which I love their templates. So amazing. So let's try that with, of course, Nano Banana 2 Light and GPT Image 2 Low. Nano Banana 2 Light. Oh. That didn't do very much. It kind of did turn it into like a watercolor painting, which is really cool. But let's see how GPT-2 Low turns out. Oh, this came out even more watercolor painting-esque. It's beautiful. I actually do love that. Well, these are mostly styles, but let's actually turn ourselves into a character. So let's use this drop down. You can go all categories: style, fill in the blanks, edit image, create image, character, and tool. So let's do this. Ooh, I love this. Line art watercolor portrait. This is going to be awesome. This is going to turn us into this style. There's even a gallery of what you can expect. Oh, this is going to be so fun. Okay, well, that's loading. Let's select another template. Sorceress generator. This is so cool. So that's me in this line art template. I love that so much. I just want to see the rest of them. Oh, it is so cool. Oh, awesome. Here's me as a sorceress. I want to go back to portrait and see. You know, actually, I've been seeing this one. Editorial photo. Okay, I just asked, turn the subject in image 1 into the style, which may not make sense, but it's fine. We're going to go with GPT-2, image low, and also, oh, this only comes with certain models. That's fine. Some creators only allow certain models to be used with their template, but I do trust what the creator chooses because sometimes some models actually don't generate what you're looking for, and it's just a waste of credits. And that's going to happen sometimes. We got another error, so I'm going to create 2 more. But this is what it created for me as an editorial model, which doesn't have the most similarity to me. This has been a super popular type of template. Like, I've seen it everywhere. So let's try this. This is the mixed media template by Archelon. Let's try it with GPT-2 image low and Nano Banana 2 Light. And then while those are generating, we can find a few more templates. I do also want to do this pointillism dreamscape. So let's do this. Okay, and then let's also change the model to GPT image 2 low and take a look at our other generations. Okay, so this is the mixed media template from Archelon. So let's take a look at that. I do like it. It is actually really cool. And it would be like a cool profile photo. Or maybe even if you want to do some crafting and have some ideas or get some inspiration from it, that mixed media collage template is perfect for it. This is the pointillism template that we were just trying. And this is with Nano Banana 2 Light, which this option came out so cute. It looks like me. It's just in this style. Like, it is adorable. Are you kidding me? There's butterflies. I love this. I actually might get this printed out. You know, I'm getting the idea of turning an image like this into one of those paint by number diamond paintings. That would be so fun. Okay, guys, we're going on to the last one. Let's use one of my templates. So this is the World Mythology Creator template I created. There's a painted anime. There's also this bioluminescent character. Let's try this. Let's turn her into a cowgirl. Let's do green and blue color mood though. These are the settings that I had originally. I think they're going to turn out just fine. We're going to do a bonus and use this Chibify template, which I really love. All you do is input the image, describe the person, the item, or the thing. So here I am as the cowgirl, which I think is so cute. It makes me look super short and I love it. And then here I am as a chibi character. Oh my gosh. I love this one so much. Well, those are my images. You guys got a bonus one. I loved making these so much. I think the oil paintings still might be my favorite though. Although, I don't know. I just love them all so much. I'd love to know which one you preferred. Was there one that really stood out, or was there a template that you'd like me to try in another video? Let me know down in the comments because I always enjoy reading your guys' ideas. And if today's video inspired you to have a go yourself, you'll find my Night Cafe link down below. You'll get 20 free creations when you sign up using that link, so it's a great way to start experimenting without any pressure. Okay, well, that's it, guys. Thanks for spending a bit of time with me today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.